What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. When it comes to statistical software package that manufacturers, businesses, and educators use to improve quality and analyze data, they turn into Minitab to help them understand their data, identify trends, and make better decisions. Minitab can perform statistical tests and regression analysis, and it can also create graphs and charts to visualize your specific data. In this free Minitab course, I will break down what the online course consists of and its benefits it will have for your business, small or large. Tailored for beginners, this Minitab course explores crucial applications like statistical data input, trend identification, and issue resolutions in Six Sigma projects. The Minitab skills we'll also learn are methods of data input, worksheet manipulation, graph creation, and basic data analysis. Data professionals, project managers, and business analysts are the ones that are also turning to this online certification. So in this 3-hour self-paced 11 lessons video, I will touch on some of the lessons they will be teaching. There will be a course introduction along with the introduction to Minitab with the importance of Minitab. It will go over demos which will touch on Minitab menu bars, stat tabs, graph tabs, along with many others. In lesson 7, they will go over hypothesis testing, which will also have a case study with Lifeline Inc., 2 samples of proportion tests, 2 samples of various tests, chi-square, and at the end of the lesson 7, a key takeaway and knowledge test. When it comes to analysis of variance, or ANOVA, which is a test that examines the variation between and within groups to determine if there are any significant differences, there will be a demo on normality and equal variation, mean effects plots, along with key takeaway. The benefits of completing the course will give certification recognition. You can use this certification to showcase your commitment to skill development. You will now have Minitab mastery now that you have developed practical expertise in key Minitab functionalities and understand their functions such as data input, worksheet manipulation, and graph creation. There's a strong demand for skilled individuals in the quality management software domain that are also certified in Minitab. Always make time for continuous skill enhancements in whatever profession or career you're in. Upskilling and reskilling your scope of work is the way to stay current and relevant in the job market. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and they'll also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks, Markie Williams, and I'm out.